Yeah, selfie remote, control your camera, vlogging and stuff like that. For holding and stuff like that. And we got this one. Okay. Like this. This bulb. Whoa. And here we got the adjustment for bright here to increase. There is decrease. There is switching between lights, and there is a power button over here. It's a tripod. Let's do setup, guys. Let's unlock it. You can extend for better stability like this. Yeah. Then we go further for extension until here. So it is 2 meters. You can see almost near to my side, to my head. Then let's take our ring light and plug it at our nib over here. Yep, there we go. We got other more two accessories. This is for cameras. For cameras who are using Nikon, Canon and stuff like that, you can just use this one as to attach as a camera holder. You know, camera has some screws where you can just screw them over this part over here. Now for telephone mobile users, we have our own here camera telephone holder. You just take it and put it over here, and also you can bend it according to whenever angle you wanna put it. You can put it straight, you can bend a bit to some extent. So let's insert here. Yep, there we go. Okay. After we are done choosing the right height, like the height for our ring light, you can just screw over here in order to be determined that I want to shoot from this height, from there to here. Then we got our remote control over here. You should set your phone on the volume key, like to have a zooming. Here you have zoom in and zoom out, and here the place to record the video, to take a photo. And here we have the where you can switch our Bluetooth on. It just indicates over here. Let's go ahead and link our ring light to the power source. Now over here we got some lighting features on the control. Yeah, we got the plus adding button, this one for increasing brightness. We got the shifting button to change between the white light to red light, or yellow can say it. And we got the power button here. Here we got the reducing, where I can adjust to decrease our brightness. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on. Whoa, there I go. So this is the yellow light. Let us go ahead and switch the brightness. We can decrease over there up to 0. From the adjustment is from 1 up to 100. So there up to its maximum, which is this one here. Let's shift to another light, which is white also. We can adjust also from 100 to 1. So let's see how this appears normal. Let's turn off the light over here. Yeah, so this is like, let's say like 1. You can increase our light up to this side. And let's shift to red. Also we can increase up to that side. Yep. And if we are using this one also, we can connect with the phone. We'll talk a bit in another video, but for today it was just this one here. In another video I'll just go in detail on how properly we can use this. And this one you can just charge it using the USB cable as normal for other mobile phones. So that was all for today, guys. See you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friend. Bye bye.